The one more important topics, that is the inserting a table. We'll consider new slide. Okay, in new slide, if I like to insert a table, how to insert a table? We go to insert table option. There we have to select how many columns we require and how many rows you are required. You can select those many columns and rows, then click, so that that much rows and columns has been inserted. You can say first column is serial number, next one is a name, then third column is a mobile number. Okay, like this we can place, and we can click here on or select and drag wherever you like to place. You can place it there, and you can resize this one by selecting that edge. Okay, you can observe that there is a change in a arrow mark. That change in arrow mark means we have been selected that particular column and drag it to reduce the size or to increase the size. Okay, and to make it much bigger, like this we can make it bigger. Okay, then we can start entering all the data related to the name, mobile number and serial number. For example, if you like to format this one, if you like to format this particular table, okay, then we can go to format table. You can insert a row, insert a column, or left or delete that particular row or column which one you have been selected. Okay, if you like to merge these cells, like all three columns to be one single column, then we'll select that one, go to format table, merge cells. If it is already merged one, if you like to demerge, again go to format table, unmerge the cell. Like this we can merge and unmerge the cell. We can insert a row, table, insert row above, and we can merge those three cells. Select three cells, table, merge, and you can write about a heading of the that particular table. And again you can format it, like take it to a align it to a center. Okay, make it bold, make it bigger in size. All these things what you have been learned, you can apply to your table also. You can apply to your table also. This is about how to insert a table and how can we modify the table as per your requirement.